Hello, and welcome to Interactive PBL. This week, you'll be using an exciting new application to access Day 1's PBL content. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through logging into the application with Canvas, accessing PBL content, and submitting your assignment. First, access the application through the link in Canvas. You'll see an option to log in with Canvas. Click the Login button. You may be asked to log into Canvas and then authorize the i-PBL application. The authorization allows us to share your responses to i-PBL activities with Canvas. We don't otherwise use or store any information about you. Once you're logged in, you'll see the i-PBL application, which is divided into a simulated electronic health record, or EHR, on the left and PBL content on the right. Start by reading the PBL content. In the PBL content and elsewhere in the i-PBL application, you'll see question marks. Hover over the question mark to get more information. When you're ready, you can click anywhere on the EHR or select an action from the PBL content to activate the EHR. The EHR is full of information about our patient. Click through the sections on the left to see information about the patient's vital signs, growth chart, laboratory results, notes, and more. The i-PBL application features a knowledge base where you can get more information to guide you through the patient's evaluation. When you're ready to move on to the next section, click Forward in the PBL section. The EHR will update with new content as you advance through the case. Here, we can see that new knowledge base content is available. Make sure to read all of the PBL content. The highlighted boxes will guide you through your tasks. Let's place some orders. When you've completed all of the PBL content, please complete our survey so we can continue to improve i-PBL, and thank you for participating.